Product accessories display packaging box, storage bag, manual, temperature line, multimeter, watch pen line, charging cable, rechargeable lithium battery, extra pointed silicone wire, anti-freeze, soft and not hard. High temperature resistance without burning out. Automatically recognizes the measuring resistance. There is a beep for good connection, and no sound for bad. DC voltage measurement with high accuracy and small error. AC voltage, the output voltage is 325V, and the error is small. Diode measurements require a distinction between positive and negative poles. It can be measured in degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. The numerical RU-out short circuit can be cleared during HC measurement. The measuring capacitor needs to be short circuit discharged to avoid the capacitor with high voltage. AC current measurement. Disconnect the loop and connect the stylus in series with both ends of the dot line to measure the current. Disconnect the loop and connect the stylus in series with both ends of the dot line to measure the lamp strip current. NCV non-contact inductive power supply. The frequency of the buzzer alarm is slow to the zero line, and the frequency of the buzzer is fast to the line of fire. Flashlight lighting function.